Smith & Wesson 629-6, 44 mag, 3-inch barrel, stainless with factory wood grips. Now it is a little heavy. It is a 6-round capacity and adjustable sights. We're going to see what kind of recoil it has versus our Ruger Red Hawk 44 mag that we normally shoot. I'm sure the wooden grips are going to be a little uncomfortable compared to the Pachmayr grips that I'm used to shooting. And the Ruger Red Hawk has a 7 3/4 inch barrel versus 3-inch. But today we're going to be shooting 240 grain jacketed hollow points, and unlike the Ruger, this is a 6-shot instead of a 5. So let me take you over here. We're going to get you loaded up, and I'm going to try to hit this tree here. Now I've never shot this gun, so I'm not sure what the sights are going to be on it. And I don't know if I'm going to hit anything or not. So let me get some ears on. And let's see if we can actually hit anything or not. All right. Oh, let me sit down and maybe I can be a little more steady. Let me get you up here and raise you up a little bit. And let's see what we can do with it. I'm not really sure where I hit there. I think I'm shooting off to the left. Yeah, I'm definitely shooting to the left. I'm not really sure why. Is that 5 or 6? I don't know, it sounds like a Dirty Harry. So that would have been 6. Oh. Alright. 6 it was. Boy. I'm not sure. Let's try 6 more. I will tell you that it does kind of hurt the hand a little bit. But let's go ahead and put 6 more in. Be nice if I could hit something. I need to look at that sight, see where that sight's at. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, well, I can tell you one thing. I forgot to put my earmuffs on. So I won't be here for a while. So we got into a back one there. I can see that thing move, but as far as I got. That one was way underneath. I can see that thing moving. I'm not sure where I'm hitting it. And that was it. Alright. Smith & Wesson 629-6 44 mag, and that is the what is that? That is post key lock on the side here. All right, that's it for today.